Alright, so we've decided to make a movie about the forearm muscles because they can be challenging for some. And we'll start with, right up here, the strappy muscle, which is brachioradialis. Hopefully you read in your lab manual that this one can be particularly easy to tear during dissection. The Gilbert manual, the blue book, will actually show it sort of closer down to the forearm, but when you dissect it fully, it tends to stand off quite a bit. We've got two triangular muscles that you can see right here, extensor carpi radialis and the pronator teres. Then you go straight to flexor carpi radialis. So it's important to remember the radius is out here, the ulna is over here, and so we have essentially, two major features that we'll see to the names of many of these muscles. Those that are named radialis are going to be closer to the radius, those that are named ulnaris are going to be closer to the ulna, and we've got a set of flexors and extensors. The flexors are basically going to allow the cat to flex its paw, and the extensors will allow it to extend its paw. But the extensor carpi radialis are prominent enough so that we can see them from the flexor side. So we go brachioradialis, extensor carpi radialis, pronator teres, flexor carpi radialis, palmaris longus, and flexor carpi ulnaris, right, across the front. Am I in frame? So then, coming over to the other side, over here, we had flexor carpi ulnaris. Right? From flexor carpi ulnaris, then, we come over to muscles that have three very large tendons that are associated with them. So from flexor carpi ulnaris, we come over to extensor carpi ulnaris, extensor digitorum lateralis, extensor digitorum communis, and then you can see the extensor carpi radialis muscles from the extensor side as well, and then brachioradialis. So if you learn how to go around the forearm then in a circle, then that will help you to remember the muscles when you get to the practical. The end.